conversation about how when you're filming, like especially for a comedy, it
How are we
makes
feeling
it
tonight?
funny.
Vivaldi or Mozart? I like Mozart.
Definitely Mozart.
Fuck.
Fuck you.
Fuck this beer. Holy shit.
You guys have done
It's
nothing.
like Red's Apple Ale that died 7 years ago.
You guys have done nothing but complain about my beers.
You have the good scotch though. You gave us Budweiser cut with Flint, Michigan water.
That sounds like a personal problem.
Yeah, it sounds like a health violation.
Speaking of health violations, you know how many I have done in my company?
Yeah, I get that.
Yeah.
I mean, you can't import zebra hair pillows from China on fucking Smoothie King money.
From Africa.
So aside from poaching animals in Africa and selling paint chips to children, what's on for dinner?
In my numerous wealth, am getting a little tired of traditional meals. Personally, I'm a fan of a very dangerous game. Tonight I'll be having you over for dinner.
Oh, like that short story, The Most Dangerous Game. Like that dude on the island who had to fight the Russian guy, and then he fed him to his dogs. And
I'm the dog in this case.
what?
Yeah, I'm a murderer who's going to cleave you guys and eat you. It's very simple.
No.
I had that whole monologue prepared and you guys are just gonna deny it? That's really rude.
Like, what do you mean? How?
It's stupid.
Eat me? Like you're the size of her. No offense.
None taken.
It's called buying in bulk, sweetie.
Bulk of what?
Hey.
Meat! I'm cleaving and eating you guys for dinner?
You know I'm trying to lose weight.
And I'm really happy you didn't.
Hey guys, I brought Pictionary.
Cool.
Oh my god!
See? It's real. I'm going to consume you guys now.
Ah! You bitch! Hello?
Damn, that sucks.
Oh my god! Somebody's hungry. You gonna go get them?
It's more fun when they run. Are you not gonna play Moncala?
Later. You get him, I get her.
Fine.
Oh, sweetie, really? In the washroom? We're running out of time. Ah!
I believe it is your turn.
Where's the guy?
I knew I was forgetting something. I'll be right back. The tomatoes.
Stop! Oh my god! Get your damn mouth off. Thank you. Thank you. What the hell?
This is just a Tuesday night. I don't.
Oh my god, untie us.
No.
Okay, then no!
I got the tomato!
Okay, let us go.
Hey, stop the timer, cause it's time to kill.
What the hell does that mean?
By kill, I mean eat, and by eat, I mean murder you and eat you. I guess it's a roundabout way of saying we're gonna kill you, but, you know, I don't make the rules, I just, kill the people.
Oh, what did I miss? Pass out for a second.
It's a little rare.
Always the critic. I lost my appetite.
So your neighbors reported in a murder that happened here last night?
That didn't happen.
So you sure you weren't watching a horror movie?
I was watching a horror movie. It was actually super scary.
Because some neighbors reported thudding